Virtualize your backed up computers and VMware machines on the iDrive BMR device or iDrive Cloud using the inbuilt KVM Hypervisor. To create a local virtual instance, navigate to the Virtualization page, and under the Local Virtualization tab, click Build Virtual Instance. In the window that appears, select either Computer or VMware Server, depending on the machine you wish to virtualize. Choose a system, recovery point, and the number of processors. Enter the RAM value. Select the network source, network model, storage controller, and graphics. Click Build Virtual Instance. On the screen that appears, you can change the password or copy the password by clicking the respective buttons. You can now establish a connection with the virtual instance by clicking Connect. Paste the copied password and click Send Password to access the virtual machine. To delete a virtual machine, click the Delete button. You can also reboot or shut down a VM. Click Configure to change the hardware parameters and resources allocated to the VM. Similarly, to create a virtual instance on the cloud, navigate to the Cloud Virtualization tab and click Build Virtual Instance. Choose the system, choose a recovery point, configure the hardware of the virtual instance, and click Build Virtual Instance. Copy the password, click Connect to establish a connection, and paste the copied password. Use the corresponding options to manage the new virtual instance.